Why does your brain get déjà vu during new experiences? It feels like you've lived the moment before, but how can that be if it's completely new? The answer lies deep in your memory systems and brain wiring. Déjà vu occurs because your brain's memory circuits create a mismatch. When you encounter a new situation, your brain tries to match it with stored memories. Sometimes, the signals cross wires and the new experience feels eerily familiar. This is due to the temporal lobe, especially the hippocampus, struggling to differentiate between actual memories and new perceptions. One theory suggests déjà vu is caused by a brief delay in one part of your brain receiving sensory information compared to another. This split-second lag makes the second processing feel like a repeat, triggering a sensation of familiarity even though the experience is brand new. Your brain organizes memories by linking similar events. Sometimes, a new experience shares key details with a past memory, activating overlapping neurons. This neural overlap tricks your brain into thinking you've been there before, even though the moment is unique. So déjà vu is your brain's quirky way of mixing memory signals and sensory input, making new experiences feel oddly familiar. Next time you feel that eerie flash, remember it's just your brain's fascinating wiring at work. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.